Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hard EDM only way. Choose a solid template, set tempo and key, then start by creating a layered kick with punch and clear sub. Sculpt a gritty saw lead with distortion and FM, add unison for width, and shape the bass with saturation. Arrange tension with risers and breaks, automate filters and levels, and always reference mixes on good monitors or headphones. Start sound design by choosing oscillator shapes and tuning, then sculpt harmonics with filters and resonance. Use unison and detune for width, add subtle pitch modulation for movement. Create punchy bass with saturation and multiband compression, and craft percussive layers with transient shaping. Apply creative effects like phasers, chorus, and OTT compression sparingly. Always test in mono, balance levels, and save presets for workflow speed and consistency. Quick recommendation: if you are enjoying this, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for great sound and smart home control, perfect for testing mixes casually or adding background vibe. I find it handy for quick playback and voice triggers during sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Arrange your track to build tension and release, using intro, build, drop, breakdown, and outro sections with clear goals for each part. Place hooks and motifs early, then develop variations to maintain interest, and use silence and contrast to highlight drops. Mix with gain staging, EQ carving, and selective compression to create space, then employ bussing and subtle reverb sends for depth. Check transients, widen selectively, and leave headroom for mastering and clarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.